What if I told you that number on your scale is the least important thing it should be telling you? Pores, for the past 3 months, I've been living with a secret lab in my bathroom. Testing. Analyzing. Comparing data from over a dozen so-called smart scales. And what I discovered will change how you track your health forever. Some scales are outright frauds, giving you random body fat percentages. Others are collecting your most intimate health data without your knowledge. But today, I'm revealing the ONLY3 2026 smart scales that actually deliver accurate, actionable health intelligence. And one of them costs less than your monthly gym membership. Stay to the end, because the number one pick isn't who you think it is. Number 1. Homerz Smart Scale Pro Max. The Homerz Smart Scale Pro Max represents a significant innovation in the design of home body fat scales. This exceptional device uniquely offers a standing design, completely eliminating the need to bend down, making it particularly convenient for users of all ages. Its solid standing handle, combined with an extra-large platform constructed from heavy-duty materials, ensures stability and durability, making it an ideal choice for families, fitness aficionados, and seniors who want a hassle-free way to monitor their health. One of the standout features of the Homerz Smart Scale Pro Max is its advanced ability to provide full-body insight. Unlike traditional scales that rely on a mirror for electrodes for measurement, this Advanced Body Mass Index (BMI) scale incorporates 8 electrodes along with dual-frequency bioelectrical impedance analysis (BIA). This sophisticated technology allows for a comprehensive scan of your body, capturing detailed measurements from limbs to torso. Number 2. WITHINGS Body Comp WLAN Smart. Body Comp, a state-of-the-art body composition tool, has been meticulously developed in collaboration with leading hospitals and clinical institutions, ensuring its clinical validation and reliability. This advanced technology allows individuals to achieve their weight goals more efficiently by providing precise weight tracking capabilities, with accuracy up to 50 grams. The scale features a high-resolution color display, making it easy for users to view their weight trends at a glance, fostering a better understanding of their progress over time. In addition to weight management, Body Comp is designed to help increase muscle mass more effectively. By analyzing various aspects of body composition, it offers tailored recommendations that enable users to focus their efforts on specific goals, thereby facilitating faster muscle growth and overall fitness improvements. Number 3. RunStar Digital Bathroom. The RunStar scale is an advanced body composition scale designed for both convenience and comprehensive health monitoring. It features a total of 8 electrode pads strategically positioned on both the retractable handle and the weighing surface. These electrodes work together to measure the body's upper and lower limbs as well as the trunk using a sophisticated dual-frequency bioelectrical impedance analysis (BIA) method. This technology ensures that the body composition data you receive is as realistic and accurate as possible, helping you gain insights into your overall health. Once the measurement is complete, users can access detailed, printable body analysis reports directly from the StarFit app. This feature allows for easy tracking of health metrics over time, making it an invaluable tool for those committed to monitoring their fitness journey. Number 4. Garmin Index S2. Get precise and reliable measurements for a variety of health metrics, including weight, weight trend, body fat percentage, body mass index, BMI, skeletal muscle mass, and various additional statistics. This comprehensive feature set allows you to monitor your health and fitness effectively. You can easily sync your measurements with your Garmin Connect account through Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling you to access your data conveniently. This feature provides you with trend graphs that visualize your progress over time. Please note that utilizing this feature requires the Garmin Connect app to be downloaded on a compatible smartphone for seamless pairing and data transfer. Number 5. WITHINGS Body Scan. Mass Faster. Use the scale handle to precisely locate muscle imbalances and excess fat in the arms, legs, and torso. Detect a cardiac anomaly. Use the electrocardiogram to identify any signs of atrial fibrillation, the most common form of cardiac arrhythmia. Evaluate the natural protective function of the skin. Assess sweat gland activity in the feet to evaluate the natural protective function of the skin, all within seconds. BodyComp is an innovative technology that has been developed in partnership with leading hospitals and clinical institutions to ensure its efficacy and reliability. This device has undergone rigorous clinical validation processes, confirming its accuracy and trustworthiness for users. With BodyComp, you can significantly enhance your muscle mass more efficiently. The scale features a specialized handle that allows you to accurately identify and measure muscle imbalances as well as excess fat distribution across critical areas of your body, including the arms, legs, and torso. This precise analysis helps you tailor your fitness goals and programs more effectively. So there you have it, the truth behind the smart scale revolution. Your journey starts with one click. Every single scale we featured today, from the budget game changer to the medical grade powerhouse, every purchase link is waiting for you in the video description below. Go find your perfect match. If this review saved you from buying worthless tech or helped you discover your new health partner, do me a huge favor, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this content matters. Share this with one friend who's serious about their health data. And subscribe right now, because next week, I'm exposing the wearable fitness tracker that's been caught faking heart rate data. You won't want to miss it. Until then, measure smarter, not harder.